last 24 hours, I should say. We got a little bit of work done. It was kind of slow going. Had to deal with a few things. We're trying to change this vent that comes out of the basement because we're going to need more clearance for our wall. We still have to deal with this concrete. We might get started on it today. We're going to make the transition. Of course, down through there also, we cleaned the concrete already. We started a little bit here on the step area and got some of that leveled out and got started on it. We put down some more pavers, and over here we had to backfill the rest of the corner for our patio, so we did that. Now, since we're in a tight clearance area here, this will not be visible probably after we're done, but I wanted to make sure that I had something to hold this corner in place. So what I did is I took a 2x10 and I basically put these rebar in the ground, and these rebar are hammered into the ground along with those clamps to keep the board sort of in place. And those guys there, you only see about 8 inches of that sticking up. However, those are 4-foot pieces of rebar. So there's 3 foot plus in the ground holding that weight. So that way, when we're all done, the weight is not up against the fence. All the gravel's not up against the fence or anything like that. So today, we're going to try to finish this step up, and then we're going to try to get the wall built. And over here, it's going to be a little complicated because, when we build the wall, we're going to have to do something with these areas where the blocks are stacked. Probably going to use some S-type mortar mix and just raise it up like if you were building a cinder block wall. And if we still have time there, we're going to go ahead and get started on the transition and laying some pavers maybe in this area. So hopefully you're enjoying the video. I am probably about 1 day behind right now on my estimated timing on this. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we also did a little bit of pre-site cleanup, clean up some of our mess. We had a bunch of trash accumulating over here and some wood and tools we've been using, old edging strips, all kinds of stuff. So we cleaned a lot of that up, got it out of our way. It's going to save us a little time on our final day, which will be kind of clean up and landscape. Get ahead of ourselves a little on that situation and try to get a foothold. And we are making some progress. So stay tuned. I'll show you how it goes.